Imagine a world where your money is protected by a standard that has stood the test of time. Imagine a system where your money is worth more than its weight in silver. Imagine that you, along with millions of like-minded precious metal enthusiasts, now have access to a powerful tool that enables the construction of sound money for everyone. Welcome to LODE, the future of money. The future of money is being constructed right before your very eyes. Yep, right before your eyes. LODE is a global community of sound money advocates with the sole mandate to restore silver to its historic prominence as a medium of exchange and unit of account for the settling of global trade and commerce. Utilizing the power of distributed ledger technology known as blockchain, it is now possible to digitally tokenize physical grams of vaulted silver and put them to work on the internet as a store of value. The blockchain makes it possible to keep track of these grams of silver to infinity as millions of global users transact on mobile devices and laptop computers. The LODE system creates safe, secure, stable, borderless silver money. The powerful LODE silver money system levels the economic playing field, making silver accessible and easy to spend and send for anyone, anywhere, anytime worldwide. The system enables the creation of modern money, known as AGX Coin, which is the world's first digital silver money designed for a global community. AGX coins make it possible to pay for goods and services in digital silver. It is a low-cost, high-speed, immutable, verifiable way to transmit and transact with silver using modern technology. It has been said that nothing is more powerful than an idea whose time has come. When people come together, powerful things happen, and the world will change for the better. Imagine a better world. The LODE community likes that idea and believes that you will too. Take part in the modern silver money revolution by joining the LODE community today. Visit www.lode.one. Learn more about AGX Pay and the LODE silver money system. Join the thousands of active LODE members. Get started by activating a member account and put silver to work today. LODE, constructing the future of money.